Hello everyone, welcome to Luma Slow English. Listen, repeat and learn. Today's topic is vegetables. Let's begin. Carrot. A carrot is orange. It grows in the ground. Rabbits like carrots. I eat carrots raw or cooked. Potato. A potato is brown. It also grows in the ground. I like mashed potatoes. I also like fried potatoes. Tomato. A tomato is red. It is round and juicy. Some people eat tomatoes raw. Some cook them for sauce. Cucumber. A cucumber is green and long. It is cool and fresh. I eat cucumbers in salad. Cucumbers are good in summer. Onion. An onion can be white, yellow, or red. Onions are strong. They can make your eyes cry. I cook with onions often. Corn. Corn is yellow. Corn grows on a big green plant. I like corn on the cob. Corn is sweet and tasty. Lettuce. Lettuce is light green. It has soft leaves. I use lettuce in sandwiches and salads. Lettuce is fresh and light. Broccoli. Broccoli is green. It looks like a little tree. Broccoli is very healthy. I eat broccoli with rice. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is white. It looks like broccoli, but it is a different color. I eat cauliflower with cheese. It is soft when cooked. Eggplant. An eggplant is purple. It is long or round. Eggplant is soft when cooked. I eat eggplant with tomato sauce. Pepper. Peppers can be red, yellow, or green. Some peppers are sweet. Some peppers are very hot. I put peppers in salad or soup. Cabbage. Cabbage is green or purple. It has many big leaves. People can eat cabbage in soup or salad. Cabbage is very healthy. Beetroot. Beetroot is dark red. It grows in the ground. It has a strong color and sweet taste. I eat beetroot in salad or soup. Why do we eat vegetables? Vegetables are healthy. They are full of vitamins. They are good for your body. We should eat vegetables every day. Now it's your turn. What vegetables do you like? Do you eat vegetables every day? What is your favorite vegetable? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. Listen again and repeat to remember new words. This was Luma Slow English. Learn slowly, speak clearly, remember easily. See you next time.